10 income sources which will help you to create a passive income source. So today we'll discuss about all those income sources which will really help you to create a passive income source in your life. Most probably you have heard about or read something about how to create a passive income source. But today I'll discuss which I feel, according to me, are more practical and which is really easy to do along with your job or existing business. So let's get started. First source which I'll really talk about is the creating courses. Suppose you have some skills, you have some knowledge which is niche kind of thing, and which you can actually create some kind of courses which will actually you can sell on platforms like Udemy, and you can provide these solutions, provide the courses to the people who are looking for this kind of courses, and through that in courses you can actually earn some money. Why not? If you are really expert in sales profession, you are really experts in photography, if you are really experts in content creation or digital marketing, you can actually create a video or a kind of training program or course material, audio or video, and can sell those courses platforms like Udemy and other sources. So this is the number one. I'll keep it very short and simple. I'll not discuss much about these things or in details about the sources, but if you want to know how you can do it, please add in my comment box so that I can just make a separate video on those sources or the income sources separately. Second income source, which is writing ebook. Ebook is relatively short book, which is around 50 to 60 pages book, which you can actually write same thing, like if you have some skills or some kind of knowledge which is very less available, but there is a demand in the market, or people are looking for this kind of courses or this kind of knowledge and skills. So you can write a ebook, and you can actually take a help of Amazon to publish your ebook so that you can actually address to the larger audience and can make some good amount of money if your book holds really valuable content or good knowledge and information. So you can actually capitalize those informations and knowledge through this ebook. Third is the rental income. For example, you have a place, or you're staying in a big house where there are 2 to 3 rooms are there which are not in use. You can give it on rent. And by the way, rental income is a very, very good source of income where you actually can earn incremental incomes, because every year you renew the rental agreement and can increase the rental charge of the premises you are giving on rent. So this is a very good legitimate source of income. Or for example, you are staying outside of your home, away from your home, and back to your home in a hometown, your apartment or your house is not in use, so you can give it on rent, which actually create a steady source of income in your life every single month, which is an additional income along with your job or along with your business. Fourth is the affiliate marketing. Now, if you are a YouTuber, if you are an influencer, and if you have a good following, big following, people are following you, and your content really are really very valuable to your audience, to your subscribers. So in this case, you can actually promote products on your platform, on your channel, and in this case, like eBay, Amazon is a very good example where you can actually promote the products and market the products so that your audience, your subscribers, whosoever requires this kind of products, they can take the help of your reviews, your view, or your experiences. Obviously, if you are using these products, and you can actually, if you are really honest to your promotion, you can actually create a good audience, good market, or good sale through those platforms like Amazon, eBay, or even Flipkart, I believe. So this is another income source which really help you to create steady source of passive income without much of the effort. Fifth income source is investing in stocks or share market. Now, I am not promoting it widely, because if you have proper knowledge on share markets, if you have really good analytical skills to understand, study the shares of the companies, the industries, or the sectorial kind of stocks where you can invest money, so that you can earn dividend from these stocks, which are regular payments from the profit of these stocks. Now, there is a rule of 72. I'll discuss this rule 72 in my later videos, where you can actually invest in stocks or any kind of instruments as an investment, and within how much time you can double your income. So there is a rule of 72. I'll discuss it in our later videos in details. So stocks and investing in share market is a good source of passive income if you are selecting stocks wisely and properly. Sixth source of income source which can really help you to create passive income is by developing an app. See, these are the things which, suppose if you have kind of special skills or knowledge, or you have a very strong technical knowledge, you can actually develop an app which are helping majority of people to solve their issues day in and day out. Suppose you can develop an app which will really help your audience or your customers to find out nearby food stores or nearby health club, or the apps which can really help them to do some kind of exercise at their home, at their comfort, without much of the instruments. These kind of things, I'm just putting some example because there are a lot of apps are there, like we are offering this kind of facilities, this kind of platform. If your app is really adding some values to your customers and providing some solutions to your customers, this app can increase the popularity. More people will download the app. You can actually increase the revenue out of these downloads. However, sometimes we have seen those ads are short-lived if you are not doing continuous kind of improvement and updates in this app. So this is really important, that you should be knowing what exactly you are offering to your customers, your users. Next, and the seventh source of income to create passive income is very interesting, is by renting out your car. Suppose you have two cars or even the one car, and you are not using this car so frequently because of your work from home culture, or you have other bikes, other two-wheelers or something like that, and you are not using this car for regularly. You can actually host your car. You can rent this car on platforms like Zoom Car, or there are other car sharing apps, and where customers are coming. These are self-driven car. You need not to appoint or hire any drivers. So these are the self-driven car. It means customers come and they take your car from your place. They drive the car for their purpose and everything, and then they'll return it back at your place, and you'll be paid for this particular time period. And I'm telling you, it's a handsome amount of money. I have done it already in my life. I have done with my car also. For hatchback, it's a different price. For SUV, is a different price. For the premium car like Mercedes or something like that, the different rate. And you can earn handsome amount of money by renting out your car, by hosting your car on this platform. I'm not promoting any brand, I'm not promoting any platform, but yeah, I have done. I'm doing these kind of things with my car, and I'm actually converting my liability into my assets. Next source of income which can really help you to create a passive income source is a content creator. If you're a YouTuber, and if you're now you can create content, you can actually create some good kind of content which actually add some values, provide some solutions to your subscribers, to the audience, and can increase the following in your channel, increase the subscriber in your channel. So it can really help you to earn a steady, strong source of passive income. Obviously, it takes some time. It is not a one-day job. It may take 1 year, 2 years of time to increase a subsequent amount of subscribers or the following in your channel. But if your contents, your videos are strong, अगर उसमें दम है तो you will get good amount of subscribers. I have seen people are generating and increasing the subscribers like from 0 to 1 million in a span of only 1 year. Obviously, he really works hard. If you're a good content creator and good YouTuber, brands will approach you for the promotion. Obviously, the brands which are related to your subject will approach to you for the promotion and everything, for advertisements. So you can earn good amount of money if you are a good content creator. Next, I think it is the ninth point is, if you are a good photographer, you can sell your photographs on the platforms. There are a lot of platforms are there where you can actually sell your photographs like 500px, Canva, Adobe Stocks, Shutterstock. All those platforms really provide kind of opportunities for the photographers to sell their photographs. Last but not the least is the developing a direct selling business. I know that I'll hear a lot of shout or a lot of noise from you that I am promoting direct selling business. It is not me. Actually, entrepreneurs, investors, big business builders are actually promoting direct selling business, like Robert Kiyosaki in his book Cash Flow Quadrant, or in the book like The Business of 21st Century. In these all books, he actually shout out about this industry a lot and really explain how a person from no business background, from no business experience, can build a very strong, legitimate income source, a very strong organization to build a long-lasting income source by developing a very strong direct selling business. People sometimes confuse between direct selling business and the chain business or the Ponzi scheme. These are the three different businesses, whereas Ponzi scheme and the chain business are not legal or ethical. But if you are building a legitimate direct selling business or direct selling organizations, you are working with a company which will provide you the opportunity to actually direct sell the product and can build your own organization. It is a very strong ethical business which really pay off you high. This direct selling industry or this direct selling business model is least understood but most debated. This is a different subject. Now, I think out of these 10 income sources, this direct selling business model is the most strongest way to create a very long-lasting, solid, and ethical, I would say, huge income source for your upcoming generations to come. This, if you do it in a right way, in a very proper, professional way, there is a condition apply. All businesses are not a direct selling business. You need to understand what does it mean, and that requires some kind of understanding, some kind of basic knowledge. Like same thing like share market. If you invest in wrong shares, you'll be in loss. Same thing if you are if you're choosing a wrong company or wrong business model or wrong business partner, you will end up in loss. Just write it in my comment box if you want to know really about how to create a strong direct selling business. I'm not promoting any company's name. I'm not promoting any particular company or a business. But in general, this industry, if you want to know how we can actually create a very strong, legitimate, long-lasting, and future-oriented direct selling business, which can really help you to earn millions and millions of rupees, profitable and ethical business, so that I can make a separate video on this part. With that, I'm done for today's video. And if you feel that this channel is adding some values in your business and in your life, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can receive all the videos instantly. So with that, I'm done. This is Samik Paul signing out.